All right.
Okay.
Gonna write me a ticket?
I am.
Okay, go ahead.
For failing to use sidewalk.
Okay, well, it's not specified. I used a corner and I'm over 500 feet from a crosswalk. Do you not understand the law?
I understand the law perfectly fine.
I don't think so.
Adjacent sidewalk right there.
I need a supervisor.
We will get one here. We'll get
Okay.
one here as quick as we can.
All right, let's hurry up because after 20 minutes, it's unlawful.
That's not accurate whatsoever.
That is accurate.
Okay.
You need to spend more time in the law library
Have a seat, please.
instead of, I'm not a dog.
Have a seat.
I'm not a dog.
Have a seat.
I'm
I can
not-
detain you in the car. I'm
Okay.
allowing you to have a seat out here.
You're not allowing me, you're ordering me. I have a bad back.
How is have a seat in order?
I have a bad back. I just explained to you, I'm not a dog. I don't sit on command.
Okay.
I have a bad back. I'm not giving you any problems.
How do you
Write your
drive?
ticket
How do you drive?
with my hands.
Okay. You sit down or you stand up?
I'll sit down.
Okay. So then you can have a seat.
I can.
Okay. And I asked you nicely. I said, Mr. Hack,
Okay.
can you please have a seat?
Since you're asking me, I'm saying no, sir. I'm fine right here. I'll tell you what, I'll sit down for you.
I appreciate it.
What's your name and badge number?
Williams, 1037.
1037.
Go ahead and go work on that.
Name and badge number?
Okay.
I'm not going nowhere if you got to go do it. I don't run from the cops at all because I don't break the law. This punk wants to unlawfully detain me for using a corner over 500 feet from the nearest crosswalk, from the nearest light. Look, it's way up there. I used the corner of Veterans and Atlantic to cross. He was blocking any crosswalk there would be with his patrol vehicle. So, right here, this guy wants to tell me to sit like a dog. I don't sit for no man. You put your hands on me, sir.
Because I can't.
You cannot.
I can legally detain you in handcuffs.
If you have a
Do you have
crime,
handcuffs on?
if you have a crime, sir, this is a traffic violation or a citation, sir. It's not a crime. Do you not understand that? Did you go to training for 6 weeks?
It's not longer than that, but sure.
Really? How long you been a cop?
Long enough.
What's that mean?
It's long enough.
Just tell me so I don't.
Answer questions.
I love
That
it.
one, don't you?
Yeah, I love that one. I'm gonna pull your record, sir.
Okay.
You can just answer. My viewers want to know. I know you don't. You don't care about the citizens, do you? I'm in Branson, Missouri. We can redress at 417-330-3300, I think.
334.
334-3300. Let them know what you think about this. This cop's butt hurt because I filmed this traffic stop. I've got him on several. I'm a jaywalker. Oh my God, and they put their hands on me. I can't wait to go to court for this one. Lovely. That's a sergeant? No, that's your backup. Backup for a jaywalker, y'all. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3 units. No, he don't have stripes on. I know him. All right. You know what? I think I will have a seat.
I appreciate that.
I'm not doing it for you.
Back starting to hurt?
A little bit. For jaywalking. Oh my God. I can't wait to go to court on this one. Yep, Captain Nutfuzz. Roll your window down. Roll your window down. What's up, Cajun? Four Corner. I'm detained for jaywalking. Can you believe that? There's the nearest stoplight and the nearest crosswalk. I'm well clear of 500 feet across at a corner right here to right there. And this cop's butt hurt because I was filming his accident scene. They don't understand the laws. They're new. They're rookies. We're gonna train them though. He's writing me a citation right now. He's gonna spend a day in court because he's butt hurt. What's up, Snoop? Yeah, they make a cream for that. Feelings police. Happy fuck the cops day. Sig semper tyrannis. Make stupid people. What's up? I'm surprised I'm getting a signal right here. Is your body cam running? Awesome. That's a Sarge?
He's our officer in charge right now.
XO, right on. What rank is he?
He'll talk to you.
He's a deputy?
Well, no, we're officers. Deputies work for the county sheriff.
Okay. You're not officers. You're not in the military.
No, we're officers.
You're public servants. Let's get that right. I got them earlier. I got two of them, Cajun. Yep, that's what I think too. Patrolman. They put their hands on me too. When told me to give them my ID and I went to go get it and they put their hands on me. They're gonna find out though. Power of the press. Yeah, I think so too, Quebec. Yeah, I went to give them my ID and they both grabbed my arms like I was going to do something. Hey. They don't know me. I guess they treat everybody like that. It's officer safety, ain't it? Fuck officer safety. We don't pay you to be scared. We pay you to be brave. Pussies. Fuck them. Fucking cowards. How you like that blue line flag in City Hall? You know that's coming down, right?
Sure.
Yeah, it's coming down. Surprised you ain't got a blue line flag on you. There ain't none on the cars, is there?
No, it's not.
It's a gang symbol. What do you think?
I don't care one way or the other if it is or not.
Really?
Really.
You would... Oh my God. You should care, man.
Why?
Because...
There's bigger problems in the world than
Gangs?
a flag.
There's nothing more important in America than our flag.
Right.
Freedom of speech. But you don't have it because you're a public servant, sir.
No, I do.
No, not while you're on duty, you don't. You got to maintain a set of standards, sir. See, y'all don't know much. Y'all need to refresher courses. We're going to teach you, though. When you're off duty, you do. Right now, you don't have rights. You have privileges, sir.